Hi. So as in the last classes, we have seen about the how to install the JDK, what are basic terms and terminologies related to the basic things in the case of Java like JDK, JRE, JVM and all other details as already I have explained it, right? Now even we have seen how to set the path in the different manners, like setting the path in a temporary manner as well as in the permanent manner. Both of the options as well we have seen in the both options. Now what I'm trying to do is today I'm going to write my first program. So here we will be discussing that is the first program. So in order to write that now, well, what I'm going to do is I'm just writing here, I'm creating one, you can say that is the folder. The folder which I'm creating here with the name of, here I'll be writing that is the core Java 9 or core Java programs. With this I'm creating one folder as I have created. Well, now after creating this folder here, so well, what I wanted to do here is the core Java programs, as already I have created one folder. In this particular folder, I'll just go into this folder. Now in this here, there is nothing inside this. So first of all, in order to write any Java program, we must need some editors. Here, mostly we will be going for the free editing tools, free editors like Notepad we are just going for here. Well, so I am writing here that is the Notepad. Well, into that's the Notepad as I am writing into this. In the Notepad, I am opening this Notepad here. Well, now you can see this screen which is coming here. Now in that, I wanted to write one program. What I want to do is I wanted to write one program. In this particular program, what I wanted to do here is I'm writing a class. Hope you are able to see this class. The class which I'm writing again is the hello one class name I'm writing. Well, I'll increase the font of this one. So as I have already written this class, I'm making it 26 around this. And this is something, a class called as the hello class I'm writing. It is a hello world program which I'm writing. That is the first program I'm going to write here. So after writing the class, so just what I have given here is that I'm writing a simply here a class name. I have given this is a class is the keyword. This is the name of the class. So I'm writing here name of class. So this is the name of the class. This particular one at present is the keyword I am writing, right? And when I am talking about the curly braces, so this curly braces represents the starting of this corresponding class, as well as this one which is there at the last represents the end of this scope called as class, which is called as the hello, the name of the class what you have given here. Means I'm writing one class hello which is starting, and it is we are representing by the curly braces, and again we are ending that class by the name of you can say the same curly braces we are using just to end the class called as the hello. This is what a class I have written into this. Now, well, after writing this class, I have explained about this class, and inside this class, if I wanted to write anything, here, so what I need to do here is I'm writing here public static void main. What I'm writing here, the public static void main I'm writing public static void main. Hope you are understanding it, right? In this public static void main, at present I'm writing here string of arg I'm writing here. Well, I have written the string of arg also. Well, now I'll come to some of the things. Well, into this at present I wanted to write a welcome program, which means that we just wanted to display one line of message on the console. What we are trying to do again? We are trying to display one particular line of message on your console. That's all. We don't want to do at present anything other than that, right? So here I'll just write here system dot out dot, well, what next I'm writing is the println inside this main, in which class I have written here hello I'm writing, or one more output which I wanted to give here, system dot out dot println, inside that welcome to JTC video class, or this is the JTC something class as I have written here JTC. I'm writing welcome to the JTC. Well, now I have what the complete program is all about. A program which I have written, a program, मैंने एक program लिखा, उसका class name मैंने क्या दिया है, hello दिया है, and inside this class hello I have written one method which is called as public static void main, and into this now again we are writing string of arg system.out.println, and in that 2 lines of message as I wanted to display. Well, okay, so once we have written the program, after this now I must have to save this program. So see how I am saving my program. You can notice it. See, I am clicking on file. Hope you are getting it. File. And then we are clicking on save as. After clicking on save as, you just need to select your working location, or you can say the workspace where you wanted to save your program. Well, I'm saving the program in the folder called as core java program prg something. Inside this, one name I am giving for this program. See here. Well, here now we could have the number of questions also. I'll come to the number of questions. So I am writing here hello.java. Remember one point here at present. At present, you just need to remember one point. What is that point? That a file name what I have given here, this is the file name which I'm giving here, which is an hello.java, which I have given here is the hello.java. The file name which I am giving here is the hello.java. Hope you understand it well. Now into this itself, hello.java, this is the hello.java I am giving here. Hope it is clear. This program name I am just highlighting it, hello.java. Now the class is also, what is the name of the class here? The name of the class is also the hello. Name of the class which I have written is the hello. Now we could ask some question. What questions? There are few questions which we can get it. That is it necessary to have the file name same like hello.java as like the class name? क्या जिस प्रोग्राम का क्लास हेलो है उस प्रोग्राम को हम उसी के नाम से सेव करेंगे? Is it mandatory to do that? No, it is not mandatory to do that. So initially I'm not going to come into that discussion whether the what should be the file name. So, or in simple word, what I'm saying is you can save this program by any name followed by .java extension. It is not mandatory that your class name and file name should be same. It is not mandatory at all. That is not mandatory that your class name and file name should be same. We can save it by any name followed by .java extensions. Again, there are some again important points are there. इसमें भी कुछ और important points हैं जो अभी मैं आपको बोलूंगा प्रोग्राम को सेव. So initially सबसे पहला हम ये करते हैं कि प्रोग्राम को हम सेव करते हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर नाम से. तो बाय चांस हमने क्या दिया कि एक hello.java के नाम से मैंने सेव किया प्रोग्राम को, और यही आपके बाय चांस नेम ऑफ द क्लास भी है. ठीक है. So I am saving it now. I have saved it into the core Java program. I am saving this file into this. Well, when I have saved the program name called as hello.java, you can see here that is the hello.java is the name of the program which I have saved it inside this. Well, now I have written the program, right? I have saved the program. What all things I have done now? First one, I'm repeating. Write the program. Write the program. I have written the program. Second part is save the program. Save the program. Now third important thing is compile the program. Compile the program. I'm going to compile the program, and after successful compilation, which is the fourth one, is run the program. Run the program. So following things: write a program, save the program. Successfully we have completed here as such two tasks. Number one is write the program and save the program. We have done. Now I am going to compile the program and run the program. Well, we will go for that also, how to compile and how to run the program. Now in this very important thing, in the last class we have seen that how to install the JDK, and after installation how to set the path for the JDK so that anytime we can compile and run the program. Now if you will see in the top of this, the folder which we have taken out here is the E drive. Under that, core Java program, that is the folder name. Means inside the E drive there is a folder called as core Java program, in which we have saved these all programs. Well, I have done all that. Now immediately after doing all that, after doing all these things here, what is next as I am going to do into this? That is the again important thing. So well, I am going to open the command prompt.